Well, good morning, everybody. It's Rob Travels with Dottie, and it is the 26th of September, 2024 at 5:22 a.m., and we are rolling with the comments this morning. It's going to be a very hot day today. The forecast is 100 degrees for the next almost whole week before it breaks back into the back into the 90s and 80s is where it should be this time of year, but we're gonna have to tolerate it. I'm hearing something. Oh, and it was just a background video playing in another tab. Very strange. It's like I'm hearing voices, but it's 5 in the morning. So the positive news video was coffee grounds to the rescue, and how coffee grounds can be used to clean up environmental things and microplastics in the water and be reused and magnetized, and fairly interesting thing. Ken Day says now people can drink their coffee and help the environment at the same time. So coffee grounds have lots of uses. Ken Day says on the long form video, water volleyball fun today. Today is not November 23rd, would be 2 months from now. People like to, if I misspeak, people like to point it out. I guess, go ahead. um, Rose, good exercise for you all out there. That's the water volleyball. And Rose says on the coffee thing, that's interesting. Um, an older video, I'm lucky at Tire Works. You're lucky to have a great mechanic. That was Mark 8784. I had a short out there a while ago called Dottie is Starving. And Michael Schumann says, Michael's human. It's either Michael Schumann or Michael is human. I don't know which. Great. Where did you get that toaster and what kind is it? Well, sadly, the toaster that showed on the screen, it's a contraption that sits on top of your propane stove and toast bread. Can't get it anymore, sadly. There's similar things if you look at stovetop toasters, but not the one I have. Tommy on RV trailer cleaning solution, an older video. Thanks for the back way in tour. Oh, the back way in tour. Oh, driving through the desert to get back from Home Depot. Shame people leave stuff like Class A's RV out there abandoned. What a mess that was. That's a nice pool. I've never really done hot tubs before, but it looks like it'd be nice on a cool day. It is. And Lisa Roth on the coffee video. Yay for coffee. Guys, there's not much today. You know why? Because none of the 3 videos did well at all. Not a big interest in any of the videos. On the comments video from yesterday, Color Creativity said, good morning. She said on the volleyball thing, great exercise. Cooking a frozen hamburger patty. That's a couple of years ago I did that one. And it was a short, and it was taking temperatures and showing exactly how to take a hamburger patty frozen out of the freezer. And I actually used one of those temperature gauge things, the little pistols with a laser, to show exactly how to cook a frozen hamburger patty thoroughly. And he said he appreciated that. Love the precision. Thank you. That was Smith Salazar. And your comments, I think I was again complaining about the heat. And Chris Paul says, "Yeah, I hear you. I live in Vegas," and he says, "Don't worry, it's going to cool down soon." And Robert Ballard on water volleyball. We had no idea you were such a water sports athlete. Very funny. Who knew? Actually, that is more than exercise that can help you recover flexibility in your back. It helps strengthen your legs and reduce the pressure on your lower back. Now all you need is a water volleyball league for Dottie. Dottie's not a good swimmer or swim at all. Terry, I'm just so impressed with your RV resort. So clean, organized, beautiful trees, and great sights. Might have to look into that place. Wonderful place to spend some time. Thanks for always sharing. Yeah, and that's the volleyball thing. I really love this RV resort. And that's really all there is today because the, let's see, the comments video 100, 142, 145 uh, views. It's about typical, but the long form video got 213. That's half of what they usually get or less. Um, and the coffee grounds positive story got 65 views. So not didn't do very well yesterday. So today, right now, I'll turn on the long form video. This is curious to see how this one does. Um, let's see. We need to turn this on. How do we turn this on? What's going on here? Oh, okay. Here we turn it on. It's called Run Around Town with Me, and it's a 54-minute video. I did 2 days ago. I did some errands. I went to mail messages and more. I went to the UPS store, did a little tour around town, looked at a property that was for sale. Some land that had utilities on it, and uh, ran into it by accident in the neighborhood I was in looking at the land. There was somebody's Class A RV that had burnt to the ground right in their driveway, and there was the remnants of it still there. Just terrible thing to have happen. It was a real shocker to see it. So I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to finish this, upload it, which should be fairly quick, and we'll have this out there. And then we'll do, I haven't even found the positive news video yet. I did get a suggestion, but it didn't really resonate with me. So I'm going to find something that resonates with me, and I'll put it out there, and we'll have it done real soon. Take care.